Boom, 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 bang, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J, and today we're gonna be checking out Elementite. Yeah, this is a game in early access. It's still not finished, so there's still a few things that they need to work on. You know what I'm saying? It is still in early access, so I think the assets are like placeholder assets. So they're not even like, the assets you see in the game are not even finalized. Yeah, so we're gonna check out this demo and see what it's about. I don't have a clue, but I'm interested to know what this game is about. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content. It's much appreciated. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _ X, also on Twitter, _X _ Jamaican J4. Yeah, and so much more. Word up, man. So let's see what this demo is about. Elementite. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Not sure. Elementite. That's what I don't know. Elephant. No.
A mineral transformed into a drug.
Oh, so y'all could read this. The guy already is narrating it. So
that developed the drug and made it a global fever. The global fever that caused the war that destroyed modern society. A revolutionary group led by a man who believes that he is divine, that he must rule the world in his own way. Another group led by an elder who is still trying to preserve old democratic values and dreams of a free society. These three sides are in battle to possess the symbols that give them the right to call themselves the New Order. A man victim of corporal studies who finds himself in
the middle of the battle due to his power.
Welcome to Elementite.
Elementite. Okay, so I was right. Elementite. Welcome to Elementite. 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 Okay.
You're going to do this. Assault the corporation base near Hyde City and look for the test human number 09. Named Trono. Heal his wounds and order him to flee south by the sea, as far away as possible from here. Promise me that he will never come back. Do it, Master, and I will help you in the final battle.
Do it, Master. Let me get rid of this mouse. This cursor. Wake up! Oh, it looked like a guy from Star Wars. Not R2-D2. Not R2-D2, the other one. Okay. Press what to talk? X. Master.
The girl asked to heal your wounds and banish you.
The girl asked to heal your wounds and banish you.
But the only word you said so far was her name. I believe that we both want different things, but that they are on the same path.
Okay.
Our world needs order. Your girl has one of the masks that symbolizes our glorious past.
Oh, I wonder, what is he, the Monkey King? He looks like the Monkey King. Okay. So guys, remember, this game is not finished. Early access.
Void Mask, who today is the biggest enemy of us all.
Oh, is that so, Master?
You are a valuable chance to change everything. And you owe a debt to our people because we saved you.
But Master...
Help me find the masks.
Take me
to the location of Void Mask, and I teach you how to control what's inside you.
Gonna show me how to digest my food?
You are alone. Banished. Lost.
Prove
that you're
able to help us.
And in
addition to teaching, I'll give you shelter and identity.
Now look for Ura. It circulates the halls of Laucity.
Of Laucity. It's Laucity.
Knows how you can get up High City.
Oh, you got Low City and High City? Okay.
Good luck.
Good luck. Alright. Master, I shall avenge you. Alright, where we going? Follow that yellow sign. Press to open the map. There is no map. Okay. Let's go. I guess I didn't put the map in this demo because it's still early access. L to sprint. Press X to open chest. Fire handgun. I shall take it. What's this? HG ammo. I shall take it too. A to equip guns. What? I didn't get that. Hold up. He said something about where my gun at. No. He said something about to equip my gun. Yo, can I take this gun up, man? Nope. X to open doors. It's like a apocalyptic. That's what I mean to say. Apocalyptic look. Yo, what up, Iron Face? Citizens with a circle around them have available quests. You ain't got no circle around you, bro. Get out of here. I wonder how I get my gun, though. It says something about my gun. Objective update. 0. What you got for me, girl? Then you are chosen by the master. Yes, I skip. I can show you how to get to High City, but you need to do a little something for me.
So,
I'm trying to find Elementite, some stones, but the corporation has disabled our tracking antenna.
Yep.
When you get to High City, look for the Rakim, Eric B and Rakim. Alright. It will show the antenna is, it will show where the antenna is and help with the mission.
So,
Now back to your request to reach High City. Go to the place that I'm highlighting in your map and go up the ladder.
yes.
Okay. Find the ladder. I don't see a map, you know? This is the map. This can't be the map, yo. That's an available quest. I don't see the current mission. Alright, let me go this way. Can I go that way? I don't even know how to shoot a gun yet. Still don't know how to shoot a gun. X. Proceed. Yes, indeed. I'm pushing A. So why I can't go up there? I'm pushing A, man. What's up? Proceed. That gun look nice. That pump action. High City, you are out of peace mode and you can use your weapon. Okay. How I put it back? Oh shit. I got okay, alright, bro. Now the game looking interesting to me. Talk to this dude. I walk with my knife in my hand. I don't trust you. What's up with you, man? Oh, this is Eric being Rakim. Glad you came. No, why can't you just say you glad I arrived? Why you gotta I'm glad I came? I don't sound right. The area was invaded by rebels. Okay. I was injured while trying to get the tracking antenna. Okay. I'll give you the location of the antenna. I can't help it if you can't go there. Good luck.
Good game.
Alright. See you, man. You can't help me out. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. What? Oh, shit. You didn't just do that, did you? Fuck out of here, boy. Fuck out of here. I can't shoot him. Woo-wee! This game is tough. You see that shit? You see what I did to him? Did you just see what I did to this guy? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, my shit is recharging, that's why. Alright, come on now. Stab the shit out of you, boy. You come on. You don't want none of this? Huh? You don't want none of this? Oh, you don't want none of it. Okay. Alright, you don't want none. You don't want no smoke. Right? Right? You don't want no smoke, right? No fumes, right? You don't want none of that, right? Okay. Just making sure, bro. Because I got extinguisher if you got smoke. Extinguish your ass. Alright, let me see. Where we going? Where we going? Distance, 24 meters. Can I jump up here? Oh, I jump up. If I get over stuff. Oh, that's your way. What if I could jump and all that stuff? Let me go this way. Because I don't see no other way to go. Oh, shit, man. Yo, how I fire this gun, man? Oh, okay. Yo, this guy is getting on my nerves, yo. Okay, so I'm trying to understand like some of these moves. There's a lot of moves in this game. Alright, let's go. Who the fuck are you? I am Bridget, the file user.
I told that old man to not fill your head with bullshit. Either he didn't understand, or you didn't.
Yo, hold on now. Let me explain. Damn, she...
This is the last warning. You It's inevitable. Consider this warning my last.
You even give me a chance to explain
For
myself.
our parts. Next time, you will be killed.
Well, thanks for your mercy, princess. You know? Let's go. Okay, so this is the bend down. Okay. X is the climb. Objective updated. Who are you, man? Who are you, bruh? Injured? I know where she's going. Do you want to check? There's a lot of excitement in front of the corporation building in the bay. Oh, if I could just stop this bleeding. But you couldn't get there. The whole area was taken over by rebels. There are dozens of armed enemies and various levels of use of elements. I don't have much time left, but if you dare to follow the mark I'm making on your map, you will make it. Good luck. Tell my wife I love her. Yo! Thank you, you know what I'm saying? I know I could win a fucking award for that performance. Yeah. New objective accepted. Scan. Antenna activated. Oh, so this is must where the map turn on? Triggering tracking antennas to make chest. Okay. What's this? What's this? Gunpowder. Craft metal. Okay. Oh, so maybe you could craft stuff also in this game. Huh. Heal consumable. Okay. Okay. What's this? I got that item. Alright. Which way I should go? Dangerous meeting. Oh, I hear that music. Don't be creeping up on me, boy. Stay right there. Don't move. Who else is coming around here? You don't move. You stay right where you are. Oh, you got powers too? I got powers too, bro. Don't fuck with me, man. See you dropping all your change? Let me get it. HG ammo. You're dropping all your little change, boy. Alright, which way? Which way? Which way? Which way? This way. This way. XX. Okay. Maybe I gotta go this way. Can't jump over these damn walls. Come on now, man. Tell me I gotta go this way. Before I could go that way. What's that up there? What's this? Can't get that. Yo, bro, how I get out of here? You. Man, fuck you. Alright. I don't know how to get over there because I can't jump over these fences. So, developers, if you're listening, please make it where I could just jump over this damn wall without have to going all over the place just to get around there. I got all these skills and I can't jump over a wall. Wow. Am I dead? Oh no, I'm DED. Dead. Oh, I'm back to life. I just saw him jump up. Oh yeah, he did jump up. Yo, this game is gonna be real good when they finish it, man. When they finish this game, because I could see where certain things in combat they didn't finish it with yet. You know what I'm saying? I could tell that certain things is just not complete yet. But shit gonna be dope, like the fighting. Requires 2 insignia to pass. Okay, so how I get over that place over there? Can I go through here? SB ammo. What's this? It's poison submachine. Wow. Got a poison submachine. How dare you use a crowbar on me, boy? These guys are. Fire Elementite. Extract fire element. Nuggets of the fire element. Extract. Nuggets of the fire element. Extracted component for ammunition, health, restore weapons, and armor crafting with element. Capsule. Craft material. Empty capsule. Okay. Element. Hey, who is you? Who is you, man? No bullets? Damn. You lucky I can't do you shit, boy. So you see, I think the game is... Fuck out of here. Wow. Whatever I did, that was horrible. Alright, let me see. Can't pass over there. Can I climb this? More ammo. I did see something I could climb around here though. Where is it? Right here. So that's it? Just to get up here? I ain't got no insignia, man. So I'll just go this way, I guess. Haven't got an insignia. Oh shit, I never saw you, dude. You get me mad now, though. Oh shit, what the fuck? Yo. Why is he so powerful, man? Oh man. He killed me. Alright, you know what? Back up, bro. Oh, he hit me real hard. He hit me real good right there. I wonder how come my bullets... There's no bullets in my gun, man. Zero out of 9. I ain't got no bullets. Yo, my back. Okay, this guy down here, man. Why the fuck is he so tough? Huh? Do I need like extra stuff for this dude, man? Yo, how come I can't... How come I can't do nothing against this fucking guy, man? You know what? I'm getting out of here. Fuck is he, yo? How come I can't do shit? I got all these powers out here, but in there I can't do nothing. This is bullshit. Oh, that's him right there? Is he stuck? My shit don't do nothing to this guy. Oh, okay, I need to reload. Okay. Okay. Fuck out of here, man. I need some energy, though. Cut it out, man. Get out of here, man. You're giving me a lot of work. What's in here? More ammo. What's this? Which way I need to go? This way? Shell. Yep, I take it. Okay, which way do I go now? Because this place, you can't jump over nothing. Oh, I got some more ammo right there. So I just got out of here, so it gotta be this way. Gotta be this way. Alright, man, where? You could imagine when you level this guy, when you level him all the way up, he's supposed to be like super dangerous. What's this? I can't get that. Nope. Oh shit. I know I was gonna die, man. I was trying to let out the shield. The shield would not come out.
Fuck off.
Say fuck off. Alright. You got me, bro. Oh, look where they start me from. All the way down here. Level increase to 2. Fire! Fire, baby! Fire! Oh, this dude again, huh? Hold on, let me reload up my gun. Oh, you ain't scared of bullets? Alright, let's see now. I'm trying to get to that spot over there. Did I go through this door? Nope. Oh, here we go. Right here. I hear somebody. I know I heard somebody. Oh, there we go. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Who the hell is that? Yo, that move right there is dope. Alright, where I gotta go? Where do I have to go? Ain't nothing around here. Oh shit. Guys, they keep shooting. Yo, I'm definitely getting this game when it comes out. Yeah, there's some move. All right, get your energy up, man. Increase power. Increase agility. Increase agility. I could increase all these stuff. Alright, man. Let's see if we could pass this part now. Come on now. Keep dying around here. There's nothing in here. What if I could do nothing? I can't do nothing to this. Oh, there we go. Okay. See, all this time I could have been doing this. You know? I'm gonna shoot this one too. Poison. I didn't know I could do that. Somebody hit me hard, bro. I don't think I got enough. Why I keep dying there, man? Come on now. Yeah. They're gonna start me back on the same place again. Watch. Alright, this is my last time going over this shit. Because it's telling me to push the X button. When I push the X button, nothing happens, man. So I don't think they finished with that yet. That part yet. Somebody behind me. One thing I like about this game, the reload is real quick. That's a plus. I don't know why I keep dying though. These guys, I can't pass them for nothing.
I feel sick.
Oh, come on. Did that guy just shoot my gun on my hand? Yes, he did. It's about time I pass these guys, right? Man, they were a pain in the fucking side. A thorn in my side, man. I ain't got no time for this shit. Okay, so I did come this. Oh, how the hell I reach that thing? 175, 174. Am I going closer or am I going away from it? Which one? I don't know if I'm going closer or away. 139, 130. Okay, I think I'm getting close. Damn, that gun pitch him, boy. Oh, he got on shield. All right, which way, which way, which way? That's it. I wonder what this. I don't know what they do. It gives you something. HG ammo. Alright, come on, bro. This looks like a fighting scene right here. Perfect fighting scene. Objective updated. What happened? What happened to him? Oh, okay. I surrender.
Your judgment, sinful heretic.
A brave man should not walk on a trail of stupidity. I think about it whenever I see lost souls like you. I do not understand why you persist. You are already saved by me. Stop following false prophecies. It only brings you closer to death.
Let me take care of him, sir.
Whatever. Let's see what you are capable of.
Uh-oh, it's a shot. I knew it was going to be a showdown. Nah, baby. Nah, girl, you gotta come better than that. Oh, shit, this girl is bad, yo. Where is she? Where? I can't lay a blow on this girl. What the hell is that? Yo. I can't do shit, bro. Yo, it don't matter what I do, bro. I'm just standing here, just watching. It don't even make sense. I throw a blow. I try to hit her. Don't make no sense trying to hit her. Oh, there we go. Look at this shit.
Why did I think of that?
I can't beat that girl, man. There's no way. I haven't have the power to beat that girl. Let me see where they start me from. Oh, so these were like save spot where you save. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna take one more try off this girl right here, man. 'Cause I don't see how the hell I'm gonna beat her. Why can't I go up there now? What the fuck is going on? Now I can't go up this step. You see the step does this? What's this? Oh, you got a flashlight? Oh, I didn't know you got a flashlight. So now why you can't go up there? Alright, I don't know what's going on here. Like I said, the game ain't complete yet. So maybe it's just a little buggy right now. Yeah, but it's a demo. But I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, but this is where we're gonna leave the video. Thanks for watching this first look demo of Elementite. Word, I think that's what its name was. That's what the name is. Elementite. Yeah, thanks for checking it out with me, man. I can't get up here for some reason, but hey. Do remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you're a first-time viewer. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Thanks for checking out this demo with me. It is available on Steam. I think this comes out second quarter, not sure when it comes out, but it's coming out soon. And this is early access. Maybe by September or something. This game should be out on finish. It looks a little polished right now, like they polished it, but like they say, they got a lot more work. They say all these stuff that we see in the world right now, they're temporary. You know, all these assets we see, they're temporary. So this is not even, all these stuff we've seen probably won't even be in the final cut. Yeah, man. But thanks for watching. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican_J_X, also on Twitter, _X_Jamaican J4. Thanks for watching. Stay up. God bless. 1.